What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine. Welcome back to the Pretty Lounge channel, and this is what's popping at the Pretty Lounge today. These individual cluster lashes that I have done on myself. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot a quick tutorial because people ask me all the time how I do them. So for these individual cluster lashes, you will need a pack of individual lashes that you could purchase at your local beauty supply store, Sally's, even Walmart sells them. You can get them in any length, medium, long, small. For the purposes of my lashes, I like to use a combo mix of medium and large. You will also need some lash glue. I just showed that I use Ardell lash glue, some tweezers, and a little card or something to put the glue on. So I pour a little bit of the glue onto the card and set that aside, and then I go ahead and start taking some of those lashes off of the pack and put them on the back of my hand for easy access while I am placing the lashes on my eye. So what I do is I take a little scoop of glue and then dab a little bit of it off and then go underneath my lashes for a more natural appearance. So as you can see here, I got a little bit closer. I'm doing only longs at this time. I like to go ahead and put the longs on and then go back and fill in with the medium, which you'll see me do in just a second. So you are literally gonna lift your eye with one hand and place the lash with the other hand. Now it is very important that you do not touch your tear line while putting these glue underneath your lashes. What that's going to do is make your eye water ridiculously, and it's going to burn, to be honest. So just make sure you're putting the lash above your tear line. It'll be at a distinctive line under your eye. Now here, I know I have a little bit of glue on the top of my eye, but I chose to leave it there so that it could dry a little bit before I go back and take it off, because what I don't want to happen is it to snag at a lash that's already placed and then pull that lash off when I've already placed the lash to dry. So I'm gonna let that little bit of glue dry a little bit before I take it off the top of that eye, and you'll see it disappear in a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and build up this other eye with also long lashes, and then like I said, I go back and fill in with the medium. So currently I'm still putting on longs on the other eye. You can definitely tell the difference from lashes versus no lashes. So here I am about to start building up on the other eye with a medium set of lashes, and these are called Epic Flare. I can't remember the brand, but they're called Epic Flare. Doing the same thing, just putting those lashes on the back of my hand for easy access, and then I'm going to begin to build up this lash. And I'll also show the difference between just a very subtle set, which sometimes I do leave it without filling in the gaps. I like that too sometimes. It comes out to look a little wispy. But other times I do go ahead and fill it in. So I'll make sure to show you the difference between a filled in lash and a non-filled in lash. So here you can definitely see a difference between which is filled in and which one is not filled in. And like I said, sometimes I do leave it without it being filled in, but for the purposes of this YouTube video, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in for a full tutorial on how I do my individual cluster lashes. And here I am placing that final lash, and here is the final look of these individual cluster lashes. Again, this is a long and medium mix. I put on the longs first, the mediums next, and we are done. Literally takes like less than 10 minutes to do at the house on your own. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and tune back into the Pretty Lounge channel for more of what's popping at the Pretty Lounge.